Music licensing reimagined.
Welcome to the ICT Express Group.
Introduction. Welcome back to the ICT Express Group channel. In today's video, we will dive into Grade 10 ICT Lesson 2, where we will explore the fascinating world of computers. We will learn what a computer is, its essential features, and how computers are classified based on their size and technology. So, let's get started. Lesson 2 begins with the fundamental question: what is a computer? A computer can be described as an electronic device that accepts or collects data, processes them according to given instructions, and produces the desired output. It has become an indispensable part of our lives, enabling us to perform tasks efficiently. Features of a computer. Computers possess several remarkable features that contribute to their efficiency and versatility. Let's explore some of these features. Speed. A computer can perform calculations within seconds, executing more than 1 million instructions per second. Accuracy. When provided with correct instructions and data, a computer provides accurate output consistently. Efficiency. Unlike humans, computers never get tired and can work tirelessly with the same level of accuracy. Versatility. Computers can multitask, performing numerous tasks simultaneously, making them highly versatile. Storing and retrieving. Computers can store large amounts of data in a small unit and retrieve information quickly when needed. Classification of computers. Now let's delve into the classification of computers based on their size and technology. This classification helps us understand the different types of computers and their applications. Classification based on physical size. A. Supercomputers. These large and expensive computers possess immense computing power and are primarily used for scientific and engineering functions, solving complex mathematical problems. B. Mainframe computers. Relatively smaller than supercomputers, mainframes are used in large-scale businesses and e-commerce. Multiple users connect to a mainframe computer through terminals to share, save, and retrieve data. C. Mini-computers. Smaller in size and less powerful than mainframes, mini-computers are commonly used in medium-scale institutions, such as banks. They are also referred to as common-purpose computers. Classification based on technology. A. Analog computers. These computers use analog signals to process information, such as environmental parameters like speed, pressure, and temperature. B. Digital computers. The computers we commonly use are digital computers that process information using digital signals. C. Hybrid computers. Combining analog and digital capabilities, hybrid computers can convert analog signals into digital signals. An example is the ECG machine used in hospitals. Function of a computer system. Now let's explore the main functions of a computer system, which involve input, processing, storage, and output of data and information. Input. Data and instructions are fed into the computer through input devices and sent to the primary memory. Processing. The Central Processing Unit, CPU, processes the data and instructions received from the primary memory. Storage. The processed data is stored in the primary memory as information. If data needs to be stored for a longer time, it is sent to secondary storage devices. Output. The information stored in the primary memory can be sent to output devices to be presented or used as required. Control. The control unit sends control signals to all the devices in the computer system, coordinating their functions. That concludes our exploration of Grade 10 ICT Lesson 2, where we learned about computers, their features, classification based on size and technology, and the functions of a computer system. Computers have revolutionized the way we work, communicate, and solve complex problems. Understanding these concepts is essential for building a strong foundation in ICT. Thank you for joining us today on the ICT Express Group channel. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Don't hesitate to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time, happy exploring in the world of ICT. Waiting for another chapter.
Music licensing reimagined.
Welcome to the ICT Express Group.
Introduction. Welcome back to the ICT Express Group channel. In today's video, we will explore the basic physical components of a computer system. We will focus on input devices, output devices, and their functions. Understanding these components is essential to comprehend how a computer system interacts with the user. So let's get started with Grade 10 ICT Lesson 2. In Lesson 2, we will dive into the essential devices that enable communication between users and the computer system. These devices can be categorized into input devices and output devices. Let's begin with input devices. Input devices. Input devices allow us to provide data and instructions to the computer system. Here are some common input devices. Keyboard. The most common input device, resembling a conventional typewriter keyboard. It provides keys for additional functions and comes in different sizes. Mouse. The most popular pointing device, typically equipped with left and right buttons. It also includes a scrolling wheel for vertical navigation. Laptop computers utilize touchpads or external mice as pointing devices. B. Touchscreen. A modern input and output device commonly found in computers and mobile phones. Data is fed by touching the screen, which also acts as a pointing device. C. Joystick. A pointing device often used in computer games to move the cursor. D. Light pen. Resembling a normal pen, it is used to select menu items or draw right on the screen, especially in computer-aided designs. CAD. Digital camera. Used to input photographs and videos to the computer, with the display screen serving as the camera's output. B. Webcam. Used for video conferencing or capturing videos, typically positioned on top of laptop monitors or externally connected to desktop computers. C. Closed-circuit TV, CCTV. Captures images or videos, which are then fed as input to computers, commonly used for road safety and premises security. Flatbed scanners. Functions similar to photocopying machines, capturing scanned images or documents using laser beams and converting them into digital data. B. Barcode reader. Used to read barcodes and convert them into alphanumeric values, commonly used in retail environments. C. Magnetic ink character reader, MICR. Used in banks to check the accuracy of checks by reading the bank code and account number. D. Optical character recognition, OCR. Device. Recognizes marks made using a pencil or pen, commonly used to check forms and correct multiple-choice questions, MCQs, in exam papers. Include relevant figures to visualize the devices. Microphone. Used to feed sound or audio input to the computer system. Transition. Now that we have explored various input devices, let's move on to the output devices, which enable us to receive processed information from the computer system. Output devices. Output devices provide us with tangible or visual representations of the processed information. Let's take a look at some common output devices. Soft copy. Soft copy refers to the output displayed on the screen. The screen, also known as the Visual Display Unit, VDU, or monitor, is the primary output device for soft copy. Monitors can come in different types, such as cathode ray tube, CRT monitors, liquid crystal display, LCD monitors, and light-emitting diode, LED monitors. CRT monitors are larger in size and consume more electricity, while LCD and LED monitors are more energy efficient and have a flat-screen design. Hard copy. Hard copy refers to tangible computer outputs that can be physically handled. Printers are the main devices used to produce hard copies. There are two main types of printers. A. Impact printers. These printers use a head or needle that strikes against an ink ribbon to make marks on paper. Dot matrix. Printers and line printers are examples of impact printers. B. Non-impact printers. These printers do not involve striking a head against a ribbon. Laser printers, bubble ink jet printers, and thermal printers are examples of non-impact printers. Laser printers use toner to produce high-quality printouts, while inkjet printers use liquid ink stored in cartridges. Thermal printers utilize heat to print documents and are commonly used in businesses. Understanding the basic physical components of a computer system, including input and output devices, is crucial in comprehending how we interact with computers. In this lesson, we explored various input devices such as keyboards, pointing devices, scanners, and imaging video input devices. We also discussed output devices including screens, printers, and the distinction between soft copy and hard copy outputs. Thank you for joining us on the ICT Express Group channel. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. Waiting for another chapter.
Music licensing reimagined.
Welcome to the ICT Express Group.
Introduction. Welcome back to the ICT Express Group channel. In today's video, we will delve into the Central Processing Unit, CPU, computer memory, and computer ports. These components are crucial for the functioning and storage of data in a computer system. So let's continue with Grade 10 ICT Lesson 2. Lesson 2 focuses on understanding the main components of a computer system. In this segment, we will explore the Central Processing Unit, CPU, computer memory, and the various ports that connect the computer with its devices. Central Processing Unit, CPU. The CPU, also known as the brain of the computer, is the main component of a computer system responsible for executing commands and managing the operating system and application software. It consists of three main components: Arithmetic and Logical Unit, ALU. The ALU performs all mathematical calculations and logical operations required by the computer system. Control Unit, CU. The CU controls all devices connected to the computer system, ensuring their proper functioning. Memory registers. Memory registers are temporary storage units within the CPU. They store data required for the functioning of the ALU and hold the information produced by the ALU. Computer memory. Computer memory is vital for storing and retrieving data and information. It can be classified into two categories: primary memory, A, random access memory, RAM. RAM is the main memory, often referred to as main memory. It temporarily stores data and information while the computer is powered on. RAM is volatile memory, meaning its contents are erased when the computer is switched off. It allows both reading and writing of data and is used to hold data from input devices and data sent to output devices. B, read-only memory, ROM. ROM stores data that is not erased when the computer is switched off, making it non-volatile memory. It contains essential commands, such as the basic input-output system, BIOS, required for booting up the computer. C, cache memory. Cache memory is smaller in capacity but faster than other types of memory. It acts as a mediator between the CPU and primary memory, storing frequently used data for quick access. Secondary memory. Secondary memory, also known as secondary storage or external storage, is used for permanent data storage. It is non-volatile memory and retains data even when the computer is powered off. Examples of secondary memory include hard disk drives, floppy disks, magnetic tapes, CDs, DVDs, Blu-ray disks, USB flash drives, and memory cards. Key point 3, computer ports. Host. Computer ports are interfaces that connect devices to the computer system. Let's take a look at some common computer ports. PS2 port, used to connect the keyboard and mouse to the computer system. The purple port is for the keyboard, and the green port is for the mouse. However, USB ports are more commonly used nowadays. Parallel port, used to connect printers to the computer system. Typically, parallel ports consist of 25 holes. USB ports are now the preferred method for connecting printers. Understanding the Central Processing Unit, CPU, computer memory, and computer ports is crucial for comprehending the inner workings of a computer system. In this lesson, we explored the functions and components of the CPU, the different types of computer memory, and the various ports used for device connectivity. Thank you for joining us in this lesson. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Until next time, happy exploring in the world of ICT. Waiting for another chapter.
Music licensing reimagined.
Welcome to the ICT Express Group.
Introduction. Welcome back to the ICT Express Group channel. In today's video, we will dive into the fascinating world of data communication. we will explore the basic components required for data communication, different data transmission modes, various transmission media, and essential network devices. So let's continue with Grade 10 ICT Lesson 2. Lesson 2 focuses on understanding data communication and computer networking. In this segment, we will explore the fundamental components, transmission modes, media, and devices that play a crucial role in establishing connections and transmitting data. Basic components for data communication. Data communication involves transmitting data and information between a sender and a receiver. To establish this connection, we need three basic components. Sender/source. The sender or source is the person or object that initiates the data transmission. Medium. The medium refers to the physical medium used to transmit the data, such as telephone wires or wireless signals. Receiver destination. The receiver or destination is the person or object that receives the transmitted data. Data transmission modes. Data transmission can occur in different modes, depending on the flow and direction of data between the sender and receiver. Let's explore three main transmission modes. Simplex mode. In simplex mode, data is transmitted only from the sender to the receiver. Examples include printing documents, watching television, or listening to the radio. Half-duplex mode. In half-duplex mode, data is transmitted in one direction at a time. After the sender transmits data to the receiver can then transmit data back to the sender. Examples include browsing the internet to gather information or using walkie-talkies in security forces. Full duplex mode. In full duplex mode, data is transmitted simultaneously in both directions. An example of full duplex mode is a telephone conversation where both parties can speak and listen at the same time. Data transmission media. The transmission media play a vital role in establishing connections between systems. There are two types of data transmission media: guided, wired, and unguided wireless. Let's explore some examples. Guided wired media. A. Twisted pair. Twisted pairs of copper wires are commonly used for data transmission. Unshielded twisted pair, UTP, is flexible and cost-effective, suitable for short-distance transmission. Shielded twisted pair, STP, offers better quality and security but is more expensive. B. Coaxial cable. Coaxial cables consist of an inner conductor, an outer braided copper net, and a plastic shield. They are used for TV antennas and closed-circuit TV, CCTV applications. C. Fiber optics cable. Fiber optics cables use glass or plastic fibers to transmit data through light reflection. They offer high-speed data transmission and are commonly used in modern telephone networks. Unguided wireless media. A. Radio waves. Radio waves are used for wireless communication such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. B. Microwaves. Microwaves are used for satellite communication, including transponders and internet transmission. C. Infrared. Infrared technology is used in devices like TV remote controllers, wireless keyboards, and mice. Network devices. To build a computer network, we need certain devices that facilitate the connection and communication between computers. Let's explore some essential network devices. Network Interface Card, NIC. A network interface card is a hardware component built into the computer's motherboard or added separately. It provides the necessary interface to connect the computer to a network, typically using an RJ45 port. Switch hub. A switch or hub acts as a mediator in connecting multiple computers within a network. It allows data transmission between computers using guided wired transmission media. Switches are more advanced than hubs and offer higher data transmission speeds. Wireless fidelity, Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi technology is widely used for wireless networking. Wi-Fi access points enable easy connection to computer networks and provide internet access for devices like mobile phones and laptops. Router. A router connects multiple computer networks, allowing data transmission between them. It acts as a gateway, determining the most suitable path for data transmission. Routers are commonly used in home and office networks. Modem. A modem is used to connect computers or computer networks to the internet via telephone wires or other communication lines. It translates digital signals from computers into analog signals suitable for transmission and vice versa. Modems can be internal, external, or wireless. Firewall. A firewall is a network security device that monitors and controls data traffic between a computer network and the internet. It establishes security rules to prevent unauthorized access and protect the network from potential threats. Client-server network and types of computer networks. In computer networking, we often encounter client-server networks and different types of computer networks. Let's briefly explore these concepts. Client-server network. In a client-server network, a server computer provides services and responds to client computers' requests. The server hosts network operating systems and manages data and information sharing. Types of computer networks. A. Local area network, LAN. A LAN connects computers within a limited area, such as a school, university, or office building. B. Metropolitan area network, MAN. A MAN connects multiple LANs within a larger geographical area, typically covering a city or metropolitan region. C. Wide area network, WAN. A WAN connects computers and networks over a large geographical area, often spanning multiple cities or even countries. That wraps up our exploration of data communication, data transmission modes, transmission media, and network devices. Understanding these concepts is essential for building effective computer networks and ensuring smooth data transmission. Stay tuned for our next lesson, where we'll dive deeper into network topologies and protocols. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting ICT lessons. Until then, keep exploring the world of information and communication technology. Thank you for watching.
Music licensing reimagined.
Welcome to the ICT Express Group.